Thank you for buying this 119876 manual holder poster frame from Fixture Displays. This is a ceiling mount unit, come with a clear lens that you will peel off the film shortly after placing the graphics. It takes 24 by 36 graphics and is front load, very easy to open and close, thus take very minimal amount of time to change out the graphics. This would be a perfect marketing tool to advertise your menu items, your pricing, what you're offering, sales, general marketing information, and the angle is adjustable after you mount on the ceiling. I hope you find this poster frame useful. Thank you once again for shopping with Fixture Displays.